I get this question all the time. Devin, what is the minimum content backlog a Faceless YouTube channel should build before treating it like a real system? My answer, the minimum stable backlog is not just finished videos. It's a 3-layer buffer. Here's the rule I'd use. 3 published ready videos, 2 videos in production, and 10 researched ideas. Why that number? Because a Faceless channel usually breaks in the handoff points. Script gets delayed, voiceover needs revisions, editor slips, thumbnail misses, or a topic suddenly feels weak. If you only have 1 or 2 videos ahead, one small delay turns into a missed upload. So the milestone is this. Can you publish the next 3 videos without doing new ideation this week? If yes, you're starting to operate like a system. If no, you're still in scramble mode. A quick checklist. 1 missed deadline kills your schedule. Backlog is too thin. You're choosing topics the same week you upload? Too thin. 1 freelancer disappearing pauses the channel? Too thin. For most beginners, I track it in Satura as idea, in production, and ready to publish. And if you post more than once a week, just scale the ready layer up proportionally. That's the minimum I'd trust.